Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update and we're going to discuss Flat Bridge. Now currently Flat Bridge is blocked. A truck was trying to navigate the bridge and ended up blocking the bridge. It didn't fall over, but it's something that happens all the time. Trucks especially seem to break down on the bridge or navigate the bridge wrong and a piece of the truck is hanging over. And at the end of the day, the gorge is blocked. Now, when going on the north coast in Jamaica from Kingston, which is the capital, or the Kingston metropolitan area, Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town, where you have the largest population in Jamaica, and you're trying to get to the north coast, the Boardwalk Gorge is the most popular route. And when going through the Boardwalk Gorge, you have to go over Flat Bridge. Now, Flat Bridge is a single lane bridge built hundreds of years ago before cars were even invented, from the days of slavery. And it's still being used today. A single lane bridge in 2025. And it connects you. You have to go over the bridge when going through the gorge. There's no other way to get to the north coast when going through the gorge. And it's time to build another bridge. Now there's plenty of space to build a bridge beside Flat Bridge. Not leave Flat Bridge as is, do not destroy it. Leave it as is. But build another bridge, a 4-lane bridge or a 2-lane bridge that allows the traffic can use, and you leave Flat Bridge as a historic site. Jamaica has a lot of laws, and the Jamaica Heritage Trust. It's very difficult to do anything with a historic site. So even change a window is a long process. So leave Flat Bridge as is. It's a usable bridge, but just leave it as is and build a new bridge. Now, when the Flat Bridge is blocked, and it happens, you have to use a highway, but it's a very expensive highway to use. For instance, a class 2 vehicle on the highway from Kingston to Ocho Rios is $4,600, which is about 40 US. So it's very expensive. And to get on the highway, you have to access it from Angels in Spanish Town, or is there a Boardwalk entrance? No, there is not. Angels or Linstead in St. Catherine. Those are the two entrances to bypass the Boardwalk Gorge. There's also another route that takes you over Sligoville, but it's an awful drive over a hill. And the last time I drove on it, the road was terrible, so I can imagine that it has the state of the road now. If anybody knows what the state of the road is to go over Sligoville, let us know. But it also takes more time. But it's an alternate route. You access the Sligoville by going through Spanish Town or from Boardwalk on the other end. So I think it is time to build another bridge. Jamaica has the resources and Jamaica has the technical experience in China Harbour Engineering Company. I'm not sure if local contractors would be able to build a bridge like this. I'm not sure. If anybody, what do you guys think? Leave your comments in the section below. But we have China Harbour Engineering Company, who they are one of the largest contractors in the world, and they're doing an excellent job in Jamaica. They build all the major highways, so to build a bridge would not be hard for them. And Jamaica also has some other contractors, although they don't get as many contracts as China Harbour Engineering Company, or their presence in Jamaica, I should say, is not as big as China Harbour Engineering Company. But there are other companies, international contractors, that could build a bridge as well. Alright guys, let us know what you think, but as of today, the Flat Bridge is blocked. And even to get, we didn't have any footage of Flat Bridge to show you, but we have plenty of videos up at Boardwalk Gorge, so you can check it out. But to get heavy equipment into the gorge especially when it's blocked because the traffic piles up. And you know, you always have indisciplined people that go on the other side of the road, so that it becomes blocked. And to get heavy equipment there to move the trucks is very challenging. So the gorge or the bridge could be blocked for hours. Alright, guys, let us know what you think about building a new bridge and who should do it. Alright, guys, have a good day.